Good day mga ka-collectibles! Another day, another Pokemon card. Dumating na nga pala yung binili natin sa Pokemon Group. Pero ang tanong, worth it or worthless? Mega Greninja EX Special Illustration Rare from Mega Evolution Chaos Rising Set. Ash Greninja is a strong Pokemon with a unique ability called Battle Bond, which allows Greninja to have an appearance similar to Ash, and the two of them work together as a team. Eventually, they perfected the ability and become a lot stronger. Nabili nga pala natin to at steel price, kaya it's worth it. See you sa next video.
Please like and follow my page King PH Collectibles. Thank you and happy collecting.